Hi everyone, I just wanted to share something that might be useful for keeping your Microsoft Outlook inbox organized, and then share a little bit about why, and then a helpful tip at the end if you stick around a minute or two. That useful tip is to clean up conversations. So you can go to the Home tab on the ribbon and click the middle envelope icon, and you can either clean up a conversation, clean up a folder, or clean up a folder and all of its subfolders. And what cleanup does is it takes all of the redundant information within a message or a conversation and basically consolidates it into one message. So if Jeff sends an email message to Annie and Tim, and Annie replies to Jeff and copying Tim, then all of Jeff's original message is captured in there, and so Jeff's first message is redundant and would be cleaned up. So you can do it from there. You can also come to the folder tab, and then over here, clean up folder, clean up subfolders. So there's another way to do it. And the reason this is useful is it just keeps your inbox clean and organized. You got too many messages coming in, it can remove all of the redundant ones and just keep it focused to what is relevant to you for today. Now, for those of you who have stuck around to the end, another useful tip is to show messages as a conversation rather than individual messages. It will take all of the messages, maybe grouped under the same subject title, and group them as a conversation, so that instead of 5 emails all about the same thing as separate items that you'd either have to delete or move into a separate folder or reply to, it just keeps it as one conversation. So I've really enjoyed having that function turned on within Outlook. I hope this has been helpful for you, and that makes your life a little bit easier. Thanks.